new to wigs. I'm new to toppers. How in the world do you even choose, right? That was me a couple months ago, and I had no idea what was out there. All I wanted, or all I knew, was I did not like my hairline. I hit perimenopause. There's sparse areas like right there at the front. The hairline is kind of jagged, and this one is really deep. And towards the back, it's just kind of thin overall. So I did not feel comfortable. I did not feel confident going out. I know I'm beautiful and pretty and all that, but I did not feel that way. So come UniWigs. This particular piece totally opened my eyes to what was possible. I didn't want to do extensions because my hair is already so fine and thin, and I didn't want anything tugging, pulling, and grabbing on it. My scalp gets oily so quickly. So a permanent-ish, semi-permanent solution just didn't seem like the right choice for me. And I hate sleeping with anything in my hair. It just really bugs me. So toppers just seem to be the best way for me to go. And I work from home, so I don't even need it every day. For when I go out, when I feel extra pretty, or when I feel extra pretty and more put together, more festive, more done up, toppers are fantastic for me. Can it be worn every single day? Absolutely. These are breathable, super breathable. So even in the heat of South Carolina, in the South, it's fine. So this one is an open lace front. What does that mean? Open lace, or unfinished, it's a free-flowing lace in the front. You can trim it up to however you like. You can also use little adhesive tape pieces so that it does not budge and lace flat in the front. Or you can use some skin glue or hair glue and dab it on your forehead and then press it down and make sure that it stays. And it will not be noticeable at all because of how fine this lace is. It really disappears against your skin. And I want to show you how this one compares to a closed lace piece. You line it up, you clip it in, and hold it down flat. And over here, it's very, like, you have to really strain to see that lace. So here, I would brush it out, and you can see it's like the exact color of my real hair. But this particular piece is now too short for me, so I'm very glad that I also have a 12-inch piece. But it's perfect color, and everything about it is just, it was so perfect, except because it was so new, I just truly did not quite feel as comfortable with the structure of this one as I do with the closed lace, and I will show you now. So to remove this one, all you have to do is undo the clips. Now, if you did use the glue, you can remove it with the adhesive remover or some oil or whatever you do use. And then let me show you the closed lace. And as soon as this particular upgrade came out, I was all over it because I already had a favorite. But this right here is what truly made me so confident with wearing it at any point, anytime. Such a quick transition. Structure of the base cap, the only difference is that closed lace. Now, why is this important? You do not need any glue, no adhesive, no sticky tabs, nothing. It lays flat by itself. So if you're a beginner, that was such a huge draw for me. As soon as I saw the upgrade, I was like, yes, they heard me. And here it is. Otherwise, the base is the same size. You can part your hair, spray some water on it, part it the way you like, spray some more to make sure it sets, or dry it with a hair dryer and a round brush to make sure you got it positioned the way you like. And then, again, unclip position. There it is. Perfect color. This matches my hair 100%. And the beautiful thing is it's already highlighted. There are no touch-ups needed. I can style it, I can wash it, I can part it any way I like. It's so fast. You have instant volume, and I can be ready so much faster now for going out to dinner or going to a function. And it looks great. It gives me all the benefits of the open lace, but it's even faster to get together or set it up. Now, if you're not a newbie like I am, and if you do want that security of the glue in the front or the security tape, get the open lace. It's a fantastic piece. If you're brand new and you have no idea how to use these and want something that takes less effort in maintaining or putting on, this one's for you. There's great colors available. For me, I love the dusty ash brown. I also have a moose brown for seasonal, for like the autumn and the winter. This one is gorgeous, and I have this one like in a 14-inch just to give myself a little extra length. Just beautiful. Again, this one's also Airy Elegance with the closed lace front. But these are just fantastic pieces, and the hair, it feels so beautiful. I have dried or washed and dried my Airy Elegance before, and it is human hair. It does dry a bit of a wavy, kinky, like a natural kink to it. So it takes a curl, like a nice beach curl, super, just beautifully. And it will stay that way so nicely. Like once you style it, you can wear it quite a few times. You don't have to keep restyling it, which is beautiful. The hair itself is just so, so, so pretty. And it does look very natural on. You can, straighten it, you can curl it, you can give it waves, you can part it any way you like. It's such a beautiful solution, especially when you do have some bio hair remaining that you can clip on and you don't need a full wig piece. So this solution is just, it was perfect for me, and I hope you give it a look and see if it could be a solution for you. So thanks so much.